Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello students, given that the annual per capita consumption of a milk is 21.6 units, so this is nothing but the national mean, which is equal to mu is equal to 21.6. Then also given that there is a random sample of 16 individuals, so sample size n is equal to 16 with the sample mean x bar is equal to 24.1 and standard deviation s is equal to 4.8. And now by using this we have to develop a hypothesis test that can be used to determine whether the mean annual consumption in the Webster city is higher than the national mean. That means the null hypothesis H0 is the mean annual consumption in Webster city is less than or equal to the national mean, that is in symbolic form we can write H0 as H0 is nothing but mu is less than or equal to 21.6, and then the alternative hypothesis is nothing but which is given in the claim, which is HA, that is the mean annual consumption in the Webster city is higher than the national mean, that is in the symbolic form it is the alternative hypothesis HA is mu is greater than 21.6. So this is we want to test. Then in the second question we have to calculate the point estimate of the difference between the mean annual consumption in the Webster city and the national mean. So the point estimate is given by, so this is equal to x bar minus mu, and this is equal to 24.1 minus 21.6, that is equal to 2.5. So this is the required point estimate of the difference between the mean annual consumption and the national mean. And then next we have to give the conclusion by testing the given hypothesis. So here we have already written the null and alternative hypothesis. Then by using that we can calculate the test statistic value. Now since the population standard deviation, that is sigma, is unknown, so we can use the t-test statistic, which is given by t is equal to x bar minus mu divided by s upon square root of n, that is equal to x bar is 24.1 minus 21.6 divided by 4.8 upon square root of 16, and that is equal to 2.0833. This is the test statistic value. Then the degrees of freedom for the given test is n minus 1, that is equal to 16 minus 1 is 15. Also we have given significance level alpha, which is 0.05. So therefore we will get the critical value for the given right tail test, that is TC is equal to 1.753. This is by using the T table. And now we know that according to the decision rule, we reject the null hypothesis when the test statistic value is greater than the critical value. And here, since the test statistic value, that is t is equal to 2.0833, it is greater than the critical value, which is 1.753. So therefore we will reject the null hypothesis, that is reject H0. Therefore we can conclude that there is sufficient evidence to support the claim that the mean annual consumption in the Webster city is higher than the national mean. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.